Yeah, that's on Yates City.
Oh my God, I hope Ian's okay. I'm sitting here watching, I'm going, that's fucking tornado shit.
Look at it bend.
Hello?
Look at it bend.
At the house, looking at the tornado over by your place. Are you coming this way? Well, I see the tornado right here, and it looks like it's on Yates City, so please get over here now. All right, we'll see you in a minute.
Oh my God.
She said it's at her house. She said they're at the corner of Elmwood. They're coming to our house. Yeah, that's getting us. We need to get downstairs.
Yeah, we're going. I'm waiting for them to get here.
Cheyenne, crawl under there and get her then. Is it going back up now?
It looks like it's going up. No, it's not.
It's coming this way. Holy shit, I've never fucking seen one.
That is clearly a tornado.
Yeah.
Holy mother moly.
See the shit flying around up in there?
Yeah.
I hope Dorothy's in her basement.
Call Dorothy and tell her to get in her basement. Well, she'd have to come upstairs to answer the phone. That's going to go right down on this town at Elmwood.
Do I call her or not?
No, it's too close.
Oh my gosh.
Trees are starting to move here. Watch around for spawn tornadoes too.
For what?
For other tornadoes to spawn.
Well, look at it. See all the stuff flying around here? That could be part of the houses, trees. I have never seen.
Look at all that debris around it. Oh my Lord.
People, get in the house.
They're heading out to Yates City. There's Pam and Chris. They need to get their butts up here. Somebody needs to get their butt up.
Pam and Chris.
Well, they can come up here if they want. That is going right into Elmwood. Dear Lord in heaven. It's about to touch the water tower over there. No, but it's, yeah, it is. It's their secondary. It's going right on that water tower. Holy crap. Yeah, that's coming into Elmwood now. That's in Elmwood. That's over on Knox. My guess. They need to get moving because we need to get down.
Get downstairs. Get downstairs.
Where are they past us? He's nervous. All right, get down. I want everybody down. Rita, it's hitting Elmwood right now. Oh my mother!
Come down too. Come on, guys.
Come on! Go help them get the kids. It's on.